Well, here's a surprise. I have fry from my 2 Polar Blue Parrots. I guess these guys are full grown. I thought they'd be a little bit bigger than this, but apparently not. And I was really surprised they can even have fry fertile eggs, but another surprise. Man, I'm gonna have to try to catch these guys probably in a few more days. I might have to get them out of here, see if I can get them to raise up. How cool is that? Let's see if I can get around the side. It's a community tank, 200 gallon. Look at these little guys. Uh-oh. Kind of come over here just to say hi. They're like, get out of here. You see that guy every day, no reason to say hi. How cool is that? Inside that log in there. It's actually, you know, pretty open in there. It's 3 logs, but it's like inside it's totally hollow, it's totally opened up. So, man, that is so cool. I can't believe they had fry. They spawned and had fry. Never knew that. Never would imagine they would. So cool. Alright. That's it for that, YouTubers.